Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is a cob. This guy, what the fuck? I was letting that guy in front of me, and that guy just comes scrumming down from over there. What the fuck?
You fucking cutter. You're just a cutter, aren't you? You're a cutter.
Look at all those chickens. Excuse me, sir. Could you sign this for me, please? Anybody? I just need someone to sign it. All right, cool. Wait, puppy. People are so dead these days.
Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the picture, you're gonna go downstairs, you're gonna turn on the TV, and you're gonna walk out the door. That's what you're gonna do.
I just saw a license plate that said, never mad. What if I just, like, swerved right into their car? They'd be like, oh, thanks for hitting my car, man. That's so cool. Turn off your blinker. Still waiting for this guy to get over. We'll hang out. Yeah, where's your address? It's, I live on Comstock. Have you guys ever seen a demolished house? It looks like that. Boom. Getting towed. Whoa. What's up, you guys? My car broke down in the middle of Vineland and Victory. Holy shit. The face of someone who was stranded in the middle of a street for 40 fucking minutes. Bye. And What? What happened?
It took $30 to fill up half of my tank.
Half of your tank?
Half of my tank. I still have half the
You
tank
have a
left.
big tank.
Well, either that or gas prices are fucking
Yeah, they are.
annoying.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I'm in Kiana's car, and my car's still dead. This is Kiana's impression of Dunkirk.